The Nuggets get possession. Advances up court.
The Nuggets are clearing out and isolating the defender.
Can't hit for two. He gets them the rebound. Kirilenko forced to adjust by Anthony.
The assist to number 7, Keon Clark.
The Nuggets are setting up the isolation. They want him to go one-on-one.
Anthony called for stepping out of bounds. With the jumper, the Jazz lead by 4.
That was an impressive play. The ball handler called for the isolation and beat his defender.
Anthony is met by Kirilenko. Oh, the gorgeous move by Anthony. Comes up with 2. Here's another look, Czar. The hook drops.
They did a very nice job of getting the ball into the post and scoring down low.
What a play. He collides midair with the defender, somehow is able to make the adjustment and gets the shot to fall. Amazing. From the low block, counted for 2.
The Jazz got the ball into the low post and were able to finish. Great execution inside. He began his highlight reel in his freshman year at Syracuse, and Carmelo Anthony has extended that reel into his NBA career. He's quite a player, Marv.
Setting it up. Misses the 2. Terrific defensive stop down low by Camby. Good move by Anthony. He changes direction. Puts it down with power. He takes it inside, hits the 2.
He's putting on a scoring clinic out there.
And what do you suppose the clinic is called, Czar? How to score the NBA or how to pick apart the defense? Sends it back.
Kirilenko with a big-time rejection.
He's making a statement defensively, Czar. That was quite a block. The move by Anthony. He crosses over, able to penetrate. Carmelo Anthony.
Step up the D, boys.
Camby with the air ball. They've switched the shot clock off. Kirilenko commits the foul, his first. Anthony misses his first.
First foul in the last 2 minutes.
Don't forget the shooter.
15 seconds to go in the quarter. With the penetrate, Marcus Camby. Oh, it's denied. Anthony rises from the perimeter. So at the end of the first quarter, the Nuggets lead by 1.
The difference, so
Stop here. One double.
Kirilenko has time. The 3 is off the mark. What a move by Anthony. He changes direction. What a move. Carmelo Anthony. Utah failed to cut off the penetration.
they need to make a conscious effort to stay in front of the man on defense.
Kirilenko, play by Anthony. Yes.
Keon Clark. In assist to John Stockton.
Utah is making an effort defensively, but the other team is on fire from the field.
They're hitting tough shots, Marv. This team needs to keep up the defensive pressure.
2, 2, 2, you got 2, double. Suck it up over there.
Denver's making an effort to crash the defensive boards. They've been very active so far in this game.
4, 3 left, fight through it. 1 up.
Anthony picked up by Kirilenko. From inside, counted for 2. Clark guarded by Barry.
1 up, 1 up.
4 on the clock.
Get it up.
He puts one up, hits it with 2 to spare.
The Jazz picked the right time to run an isolation play. The shooter made it look easy.
Carmelo Anthony throws it down.
The Jazz had no one there to pick up the offensive player.
That basket was too easy, Czar.
Keep them out of the paint.
John Stockton with another assist.
One of the league's 50 greatest players of all times, Marv. He's been getting it done since the days of the short shorts.
Anthony with a great concentration. He knew the contact was coming and compensated for it to make the
1
shot.
minute to go in the second quarter.
He shoots, misses from inside. Camby with the solid defensive effort.
He did a very good job of staying with his man and challenging the shot.
Anthony draws the foul and goes to the line for 2.
Andre Kirilenko. First foul.
It drops.
Last 2 minutes.
Who's got the shooter?
Anthony makes both free throws.
Solid team, just solid team.
Clark charged with the offensive foul, his first personal.
First foul in the final 2 minutes.
Pulling up, comes up empty, scooped up by Borchardt. He takes it inside. Anthony forces the adjustment. Too much contact, could not adjust in time to make it fall. The shot clock is off as they play this out.
You got the matchup, run 2. Double, double, double.
Turnover. Nice defense that time, using his quick hands to take it away.
Here's Anthony. Can't get it to drop.
Another miss from inside. It's very surprising to see them having troubles this close to the hoop.
It certainly is, Czar, but they remain in the lead. That's the end of quarter number 2. The Nuggets lead. Misfires from 3. They look very shaky around the rim right now.
The lack of focus and
Clark is really feeling it defensively.
that block should send the message to the other team.
Take care of the ball, man. Ball. Over here, man. 2. Boards.
Drains the 3. Here is another look at that play. Oh, the gorgeous move by Anthony. Powers it through. Carmelo Anthony. Denies him from behind.
Out of bounds. Utah ball.
Clark covered by Camby.
1 up.
He elevates, he drains it.
The Jazz cleared everyone out of the way, and the shooter knocked down the shot.
Anthony is met by Kirilenko. Anthony with the facial. Carmelo Anthony. Able to hit from downtown.
4-3.
Anthony from in close. The Nuggets come up with an answer on the offensive end. Denied by Camby. Well, that was a very impressive defensive play.
His man is going to think twice before attempting another shot. They're going to let the offensive player take his defender one-on-one.
Good move by Anthony. He caught Kirilenko with a nice defensive play.
He's really moving right now defensively.
From down low, misses from the paint.
Camby is refusing to give up easy baskets down low.
He made a nice effort to force the opposing player into a tough shot. Carmelo Anthony, the strong finish.
It's all about defense.
Advances up court.
Jordan showing some nice passing on that play. He gave it to him right where he needed it to score.
The shot clock is not a factor now.
The Nuggets are clearing out and isolating the defender.
Yes, a spectacular shot to end the quarter.
The referees still have to review it, but it looked like he definitely released it in time. They can't afford to relax, Mark.
Anthony handling. Throws it down.
This game will not remain close if he stays hot from the field. The other team needs to adjust the defense and find a way to stop him.
Hits for two.
The Jazz picked the right time to run an isolation play. The shooter made it look easy.
What a move. Carmelo Anthony.
They need to help each other out defensively and do a better job of communicating.
Kirilenko from the perimeter drains it from downtown.
Anthony wants to isolate his defender and go one-on-one.
Able to penetrate. Carmelo Anthony. Kirilenko was too passive, Czar. He should have fouled the offensive player and sent him to the line. The three-pointer is good. Let's go to the replay, Czar. Up with the flush. He tees it up. Rejected by Camby. Nene recovers the loose ball. The two-handed throwdown.
Utah.
The Nuggets are calling for the double team here. They have to be ready to rotate.
Coming to double, man. Two up.
The three's good from downtown.
The assist to number 7, Keon Clark.
Barry stepped on the line.
They're trying to use a double team to shut down the offensive player.
Finishes strong with two hands. The feed by Borchardt.
Curtis Borchardt.
He changes direction. Throws it down. Here it is again.
1 minute to go in the fourth quarter.
Misses the hook shot. The rebound by Barry.
Jazz have put themselves in a difficult position. They need several stops and several baskets before time runs out.
Clark being played by Camby. Kirilenko from outside hits it for three. Clark with the assist. Just under 2 full possessions left in the game. Anthony with the shot, gets 2 from inside.
Nothing easy on our team.
The isolated the defender one-on-one and took advantage of him. The offense called the right play.
The Jazz used up their last foul. The Jazz over the limit.
Defensive foul to number 12, John Stockton.
Miller hits the free throw.
Sorry, go rebound. Block up, fellas.
2 for 2. Less than 24 now. The shot clock is turned off. The two's no good.
The Jazz need a basket or the offensive rebound.
The other team can now use up the clock.
That's his second personal.
Doesn't fall. Camby missed them both. That's his first personal.
Curtis Bonshaw. That's his first personal.
He gets it to fall.
The Jazz are in serious trouble. They need to score and then foul quickly. Picked them, quick hands, able to strip it away.
Set away by Clark. This game's all wrapped up. The Nuggets take it. The final score is 52-46. Here is tonight's player of the game.